Hello, wonderful peoples. It's Online Money back with a brand new video showing you how to make money from just watching YouTube videos. You watch some videos here, you come here, you give away the points for money, and that's basically it. All right? Who wouldn't want to make money from just sitting and watching videos? I'm not exaggerating. This is no hoax and this is not a clickbait. Alright, so please watch the video until the end and you will be learning how to make money from just literally watching YouTube videos. Please subscribe, be a part of our family while we grow to millions, and let's jump into the video. What I would like you to do is come to this website called AddMeFast. AddMeFast is a social engagement site where you can exchange likes for money or points for money, and this is so overwhelming. All right, as you can see here, live exchange. That means live exchange is going on. All right, persons are paying other persons to watch their video, to like their video, to subscribe to their channel, all sorts of different things. So as you can see here, start promoting right now. Get your first 200 points. All right, 200 points, you can take this to a next platform and get paid for your points. All right, so your points can turn into like and your likes turn into money. All right, please do not skip the video. If you skip, you won't understand fully and you won't make any money. This will be so simple and easy. All right, so what I'm advising you to do is join. All right, this is free and easy. So register for free and start with AddMeFast. As you can see here, you can like or share Facebook. All right, and here they're showing you for YouTube. They got for Twitter. They got for every different platform, for Instagram. All right, and all sorts of different platform where you can go and like or share or even subscribe and you can make money. All right, so as I said, register for free. So you will come here, you will click register, and most definitely they will show you here. You can put in your email, your password, re-enter your password, click your not a robot, and then you sign up. Whenever you sign up, they're gonna send you a confirmation email. Some of the time the email is not in your inbox. All right, so all you do, you will check your spam. All right, so you go ahead, you check your spam to see if the email is there, and yes, it is. So all you'll do, you will click here confirm. All right, you will confirm and then you're in AddMeFast. Whenever you're in, what you're basically gonna do, you're gonna come here. As you can see, you can choose from any one of these you prefer. You can choose Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, but for this video we will be doing YouTube. So you will click YouTube views. All right, when you click YouTube views, they're gonna show you the videos you can watch. Some of the videos will be ranging from earning you 20 to 40 points. All right, some of the video in length, they will be approximately 30 seconds, 20 seconds, 50 seconds. All right, most of these videos, they don't exceed a minute long, and all you will basically need to start making money is 1,000 points from my point of view. All right, so first remember, you're gonna get 200 points, so all you will be needed is 800 more. All right, and I already have a calculation of how much video you will have to watch. So in all, you will need 3,000 seconds, and that's 50 minutes. All right. So that's not even half of the day. That's not even an hour. So you will need 50 minutes, and that's just 20 videos. All right. So 20 videos, and you will be having yourself 1,000 points. And please do not skip the video. Remember to subscribe and comment what you think about this video. All right. This next part is the bomber that will be closing everything and how you will be getting all the money. All right. So what I want you to do is come to this website. It's called PlayUp. All right. So when you come to playup.com, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna register for free. All right. Join for free. They're gonna send you a confirmation email. As you can see here, when you click on join, you're gonna add your name, your gender, your country, and as I can see, this is not in Jamaica. So basically, I'm not doing this myself, but a lot of persons are doing this and they're making millions. All right. So if you want to try, please go ahead. Don't waste no time. You can do further reviews on this yourself. All right. So basically, you will sign up. They will send you a confirmation email. You will confirm the email, and what you will do, you will go on persons that is willing to purchase likes. All right. So persons will be purchasing likes ranging from any amount. So you will sign up. You will create your own amount that you prefer. All right. So for instance, someone is purchasing 200 likes. All right. So you would add to AddMeFast. All right. So you will add their URL to AddMeFast, and then the amount of likes they desire and the amount of videos you will have to watch. So all you will basically do is add these two websites together, and it will be earning you money. Very simple and easy. So all right, let me go over the rundown for you. You will come here, you will sign up. After you sign up, if you choose to go and use YouTube videos, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatsoever you prefer. All right, whatsoever you prefer, whenever you sign up, you will come here. You will sign up just the same. The persons that is willing to purchase likes, views, subscriber, etc., you will add their URL to AddMeFast and the amount of views, likes, or whatsoever they desire for the amount that you want to sell them it for. All right. And then basically the points that you earn here from watching videos, these are the points that will be going back here to give these persons the amount of like they need or the amount of views they need, if you understand. So basically, you're gonna watch some videos here. You're just gonna make money from watching videos. You watch some videos here. All right, you earn points. You come here, you give away the points for money, and that's basically it. All right, I'm gonna give you a free method. If you don't have time to do this for yourself and you would like to do this regardless of anything, this is a free autopilot method which you can do to earn yourself a lot more money. And remember, you can be doing this from more than one website. All right, you can create more than one AddMeFast, more than one PlayUp, and you can be doing this over and over. And now, to make this autopilot, what you would do, you will come to this site named Fiverr. When you come to Fiverr, it's very easy. You will type in freelancer. All right, you will get a freelancer that is willing to do anything for you. You will explain to them what I just explained to you in the video. This is what I want you to do. Get the best cost possible. Some of these persons will charge you range it from $5. So you can get a freelancer for $5 that is willing to do anything for you. Look at this here. I will create ClickBank affiliate website with whatsoever for $5. All right, this person's is $10. Here is 25, and you can find person ranging up to $1,000. So choose what best suits your need. Tell this person to go and watch my video if you can't explain this out fully, and they will do this for you, and this will be earning you a lot of money just to simply watch some videos. Or you can make your kid watch the video, or you can play the video and put down your phone, and you're making money just like that. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, come again for more videos, and we'll see you soon.